Another day, another story. Share a meaningful story with you. Two businessmen, one is rich, one is poor. Rich businessman is a fake believer, but poor businessman is true believer. Rich businessman works harder than the other, so he is richer. The poor businessman is not rich, but he prays to God every day and spends time attending fellowship. One day, the rich businessman laughs at the other. "Hey, do you know why you are poor? You spent a lot of time worshipping God and attended fellowship, it just wastes time. I believe in God in my heart, that's enough. God always loves me, you see, I am richer than you. He blessed me also." But the poor businessman didn't care about his saying, he continues to worship God and attends fellowship for 3 years. 3 years later, when the rich businessman checked his body, he found he had serious cancer. He had to spend all the money he earned in his whole life for healing, but it was too late. He was about to die, and he might go to hell for eternal punishment as he did not focus on loving God. And for that poor businessman, God cares and protects him because he also loves God so much, so he is safe and very healthy, and God arranged other people who had business with that rich businessman before. Now they all have business with this poor businessman. Then he became richer and richer, and also he has chance to go to the kingdom. As you can see, brothers and sisters, spending time with God or learning God's words, it is not wasting time. If we are true believers, everything is going well, including your study and work, because all things are in God's hand. I sincerely hope that every brother and sister can spare a little time to attend devotion or read God's words in your busy life. If you persist in doing so, after a period of time, God may greatly bless you. Amen. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.